Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure the game is updated and you have a reliable connection. This reduces failed ad loads. Next, sign into your Konami ID so rewards register correctly and sync saves if prompted. Then open Efootball and go straight to the home screen. Once there, navigate to Events or the Ticket Shop, where ad reward prompts usually appear. Doing these steps first ensures the ad flow will trigger and that any earned items are tied to your account. You now choose the on-screen ad reward, tap Watch Ad for bonus or a similar ticket offer and confirm. Make sure the game has permission to play video and sound and keep the app in the foreground. Backgrounding often kills the session. As the ad plays, resist skipping or closing. Wait until the final confirmation or reward animation appears. Once done, the server will grant the item. If the UI shows a spinner, wait a few seconds for the server handshake to complete. Finish by tapping Claim or checking inventory and tickets to verify the reward landed. If you don't see it, reconnect your Konami ID from settings to force account resync. This often recovers missing items. If that fails, force close and relaunch the app, then inspect the event inbox and notifications where delayed grants appear. One key troubleshooting tip: clear a single ad failure by switching to another network, Wi-Fi to mobile data, and replaying the ad. It fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.